So how do we change the template? First of all, if you double tap the plus, it will automatically open a document. But the template used will be the last template that you used or the default template. So over here, you can see the 3 dots. If I click on those, I've got a whole range of options. If you come down here to change template and you tap on it, these are the templates that GoodNotes provides for you. You can see blank, dotted, squared, ruled wide. And then I've selected the Cornell because I love that, the writing papers. Single column, mix, single column. So if we change it to single column mix, that's what it looks like. If we change it to single column, it looks like that. I actually, excuse me, I use dotted a lot. Changing templates may result in unexpected layout changes. That's fine. Can you see all the dots? There they are. And then if you double tap, it'll take you back very quickly to the original view. But I was actually just wanting to change it to blank, but I thought I'd just pop in accounting. You can look at, there's a ledger sheet that you can do. And you can also go monthly planning or weekly planning. Let's have a look at the weekly planner. You can see that's there. So that's already pre-done for you. There's no hyperlinks. It's obviously not a document that's got everything all in one, like the planners that I've got in the shop or anything like that. But certainly if you just need to plan a week, it's really cool. It's a really good thing. And I'll show you the monthly one. You can just grab it. It's undated, so you would, put your month in here. We're in, just so you know, this means we're in reading view. And if I tap it and the menu comes up, we're in writing view. So if you were to use this, you would date it yourself, 1, 2, 3, or you would use some groovy stickers like that, and you would find your groovy stickers. I've got numbers here somewhere. I like dated things. They're really dark, you can't see them, but they're really cool. Don't you just love them? And then you can start doing all the things that you would do. But even if you've got text, you can still change the template. I'll show you the blank view. You can see how all it's done is taken away the template underneath. So that is how to very easily change your look and carry on. Within a document, you can do several things. Just one more thing before I go. If this page is blank and I drag to make a new page and I want this one to be, I want to plan the week here. You can see that we can then do that. When you go back here, this page itself is still blank. So you're not changing the whole document. Let's do one more. So if we go over here and we want to change this page, on this page we want to go, let's go to column right. You can see there's a column here and there's a column there. If you can see that, see those lines, see the columns? They're in a very pale grey. And then you can do work here. So when we go into the grid view, you can see the 3, blank, the weekly planner and the 2 column right. Let's go back to there. And that is how you can change your template in GoodNotes.